Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to reactivate an expired Globe SIM card. You will know your SIM card expires when you don't get a network signal and can't make or receive calls and messages. You will also receive an invalid SIM message. Your SIM card expires for a few reasons. If you don't activate or use it by the expiration date on the SIM pack envelope. If you have activated it but haven't used it for a year since you last added credit. If you don't use your activated SIM for 120 days after your balance reaches zero or any promotions expire. Even if you have flown the nest, regularly reach out to your parents to touch base. Take it further and teach your grandparents to use tech. Share a laugh over that fun family trip last summer. Scheduling calls doesn't just bridge distances. Create a killing moment in the middle of a busy day. Texting often is a great way to keep the spark alive and your line active. Explore the App Store to find productivity tools, training resources, and entertainment. With Go Plus 99, you can get 8 GB of data access to your favorite apps with Go Watch, Go Work, Go Play, and freebies. Subscribing to data promos helps prevent your SIM from hitting the inactivity threshold that leads to deactivation. Embrace the fun of social media challenges. You can also complete missions in the Globe One app to earn more points and rewards. Using your mobile data periodically keeps your SIM card from being flagged as an inactive, while you ace that challenge and spread good vibes. When you are traveling abroad, use roaming promos to keep in touch with your family and barkada. Share updates, pictures, and even funny memes to stay connected. Affordable roaming promos can help prevent your SIM from expiring due to inactivity, especially on long trips. You get to see the world and keep your number working. Thank you everyone for watching, hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel, leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.